Introducing the ICTQual Level 6 Diploma in Biotechnology Engineering, a transformative 3-year program with 360 credits. Global Training and Certification Services is offering a comprehensive 3-year program, offering 360 credits is designed to equip you with cutting-edge knowledge and practical skills in biotechnology. From molecular biology to innovative bioprocessing techniques, you'll be prepared to tackle real-world challenges and drive advancements in science and technology. This course is British Council verifiable, ensuring global recognition of your qualifications. It is also MUFA and embassy attestable, making it perfect for international opportunities. This course has 36 mandatory units with 360 credits which will be completed in 3 years. Each year, you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits. To enroll in this course, applicants must be at least 18 years old with a Level 5 qualification in science, biotechnology, or engineering. A strong foundation in molecular biology, chemistry, or related subjects is recommended, along with analytical and problem-solving skills. For non-native English speakers, an IELTS score of 6.0 or equivalent may be required. This program offers 2 pathways to earn the ICTQual Level 6 Diploma in Biotechnology Engineering. For new learners, begin your journey by enrolling at an ICTQual approved training center. Experience comprehensive learning with a blend of theory and practical sessions. Demonstrate your knowledge through assignments based on course outcomes. Upon successful completion, earn the prestigious ICTQual Level 6 Diploma in Biotechnology Engineering. For experienced candidates, with at least 6 years of verified work in biotechnology can fast-track their certification. No full training is needed, your skills will be assessed against course outcomes. Simply submit evidence of your experience and tasks performed. A knowledge check may identify any learning gaps, and upon successful verification, you'll earn your diploma. Enroll now and start your journey toward a rewarding career in biotechnology engineering. Call us on +92 336 054 7664 or visit www.tgtcs.com.